Want to see a house with a built-in bar in the backyard? Come on. I have a new listing that I'm really excited to share with everyone. It has a renovated master bath, a newer roof, and you're gonna freak out when you see this awesome backyard. Let's check it out. I'm here today at 1561 Sunset View Circle in beautiful Apopka, Florida. The first thing I want to mention is that this home is a fully loaded smart home ready to go. I'm talking all the lights, the thermostat, even the front door. The home has been so well maintained by the current owners. Right when you walk in the screened-in porch, you'll notice the lovely kitchen. I love that it's tucked away, but it's also a big part of the rest of the main living space. Off the kitchen, you'll find a formal dining space as well as the main living room. With the vaulted ceilings, it really feels spacious and inviting. Off the living room, you'll find the master bedroom and the beautifully renovated master bathroom. Across from the master bedroom will be the other two bedrooms and the bathroom. Now let's go to the backyard. This is by far my favorite part of the entire home. The owners have put so much time and energy into making this feel like a true oasis, a perfect place to entertain and hang out. They are excited to pass on this amazing space to the next owner. This house is fantastic and this backyard is unbelievable. It's ready for you. So if you want to set up a virtual showing or a real life showing, call me today, Mark Raumaker, the real estate ninja with the Home Squad, brokered by eXp Realty, and I'll set it all up. Thanks for watching, guys. Hands are wet.